to all, myself Harshavardhan and I am from 10th standard and I am going to introduce my project, that is microscope. This is my microscope and I am prepared this microscope by using of thermocol and coloring of black. And microscope is an instrument that makes the small object to be seen as big object. The familiar kind of microscope is optical microscope. The who use microscope frequently in their jobs includes doctors, scientists and students in their science or biology classes. And the earliest microscope had only one lens, is called simple microscope. Okay, let us discuss about the microscope. When we see from the eyepiece lens, means from here, when we see from the eyepiece lens, our location falls on the objective lens, and objective lens location falls on the slide, and slide location falls on the illuminator. Illuminator means where we place the object, and so we can see the object in a clear way. And by adjusting of cross focus and fine focus, we can see the object clear and of inner parts and sides of the object. Thank you.